In this video, we'll show you everything you need to bring for your multi-day hut-to-hut hike in the Alps, whether it's the Tour de Mont Blanc, the Haute Route or the Alta Via 1. Let's dive in. To start things off, you're going to want a comfortable 30 to 45 litre backpack and these essential items along with it. Hiking poles, sunglasses, sun cream, factor 50 plus is ideal, a sun hat, a neck gaiter, your personal first aid kit complete with blister plasters, a water bottle or a bladder for the 1 to 2 litre water capacity. Your personal snacks, these will supplement your daily lunch provided by your guide. Your toiletry bag, including your toothbrush, toothpaste and soap. A sleeping bag liner for the refugees. Microfiber travel towel. Flip-flops or Crocs, again for the refugees. Your phone charger, the Euro Type-C works in all alpine countries. Your refuge clothes, we'll go through this shortly. Your insulated jacket. Beanie and gloves for those cold days, waterproof jacket and pants for those rainy days, and a rain cover for your bag. We'll now go through your refuge clothes. We recommend keeping them in a dry bag. You're going to want some comfortable trousers or leggings, a cotton t-shirt, something to relax in after a long day on the trails, and a spare pair of underpants and socks. Now for your day-to-day hiking clothes, we recommend merino or synthetic underwear and socks. This will help wick moisture away. A good pair of hiking trousers, shorts or leggings. Then short or long sleeve t-shirt. Again, merino or synthetic is better than cotton for hiking. A nice hiking fleece would be great to keep you warm in those chilly mornings. And last but most importantly, a comfortable, sturdy pair of hiking shoes. That covers everything you'll need to bring with you for one of our hikes. We look forward to welcoming you to the Alps this summer and we'll see you on the trail.